So GBPJPY, guys. So welcome, guys. So if you are new to this channel, you've not subscribed, make sure you click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, make sure you share, and also make your comments. I would love to watch out for it. So now let's take a look at this GBP JPY. We want to analyze it where the price will move for the 28. So now take a look at this movement. I've included this moving average, right? This moving average will guide us. Now we all know how to trade this moving average. Once the price is above our moving average, then it is a buy, especially on the daily time frame. We are on a bullish move. Then if it is below it, then we are on a sell, right? We should sell, right? So we can clearly see this movement, right? Price is on a bullish move. Price is above our moving average. So take a look at it for a couple of days. This price has been giving us a bullish move. See it, day 1 bullish, day 2 bullish, day 3, 4, 5, 6. We see for good 6 days straight days, right? 6 straight days we had a bullish move. Guess what? The 7th day we kind of had like a red, which is minimum, right? Which is very, very tiny, not much. Then the 8th day, right, we kind of had a bullish move. Price went up. We saw this price kind of retrace. That is why we're having this huge candlestick wick here. Then the 9th day, we kind of had a little bit of a bearish move. Price drops for that, then price pushes up. This is one of the reasons why we're having candlestick wick here. So the 10th day, right, we kind of had like a bullish move. So this is an indication that we are on a bullish move. We will be taking this as a pullback. Now take a look at this movement, right? Of course, when there's a huge massive move on GBP USD, GBP JPY, of course you expect a pullback to be made. So it's not of a surprise that we had this pullback around this period, right? One of the reasons why we had this pullback again is that if you are following this channel consistently, I do say that if price reacts to a level previously, price gets to that same level, price will definitely react to that level again. So we see that price has been reacting to this level, right? This is one of the reasons why I highlighted it. Now watch out for it. Why I highlighted this level is that price has been reacting to it. We saw price will come to this level, then price dropped. We saw price came to this level again, it dropped. Price came to this level, it dropped. Price came to this level again, it dropped. Once price broke above it, price gave us a pullback to test this level. So if you notice here, price actually broke above this level, right? Of course, once price broke above it, we expect a pullback to be made. So this is one of the reasons why we had this pullback on GBP JPY. So now that this pullback has been made, what do we expect? We will be expecting a bullish move. So this GBP JPY, we will be expecting a bullish move. And when you take a look at your GBP PS, you see that GBP is kind of giving us like a bullish move, right? I actually traded was it not the week that just passed? I traded gold to my GBP. I sold it, right? I made a lot. I saw GBP to odd in GBP card, I bought it, right? I went long on it. Though we all know our card is dropping, so I mean any other PS to card tends to give us like that bullish move. So we want to do this. When I saw a bullish move on GBP and I saw that card is dropping, then I decided to trade this GBP card instead of USD GBP or GBP. I just I traded it, so I made a lot. Even GBP Swiss franc. No, by the way, GBP is kind of giving us like that bullish move, so it's not of a surprise that we will be having this bullish move on GBP JPY. So now let's take a look at this 4-hour time frame. What does it say? So this 4-hour time frame, we can see it here. See this 4-hour time frame. We can see that this price is giving us a bullish move, right? So the best thing is that if you want to enter this trade, you can possibly wait for this price to break above this high. So GBP JPY, if you can be patient enough for this price to break above this size, once price can break above this size, then you can enter to go long. So we can consider this as a pullback on GBP JPY. So let's see what this Fibonacci says. So this is the Fibonacci, right? Fibonacci came to a level of 23.6, right? And it is reacting. Let us see it go up and breaks above this 0.0. So once this GBPJPY breaks above this highs, then I would advise you, or I will tell you that you should go long on GBPJPY. You can buy this GBPJPY. So do not forget to subscribe, like, and share if you find this video helpful. Thank you.